can't believe it. Look right there.
Is that a vehicle? We have to be extremely careful.
All right, let's start with the perimeter.
Bring it down easy, right there. Okay, it's set. Get the binders on it.
All right, push on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Keep it steady now.
Almost there. Watch the lift.
The frame is completely warped. We'll have to pull it straight before we even touch the engine.
Understood. I'll get the cart ready.
Everything is seized. I've never seen rust this bad on the manifold.
And the wiring is completely brittle. We need to assess the frame next.
Yes. She runs smooth. Knew you had it. All green on the diagnostics.